Hello Cardinals, we have a huge vacancies for Panama officers. We have a top 5 position for Panamanian. That is for master, chief engineer, chief officer, second engineer, and also electrotechnical officer. This is for our tanker ships. If you have some experiences in the tanker ships, you can apply to these vacancies. The master, its negotiable salary will be start from 8,000 US dollar. You can negotiate about it, and for the chief officer, this is fixed salary, that is 7,500 US dollar, and for chief engineer is also negotiable. It will be start from 8,000 US dollar, and for second engineer in the same salary with chief officer, that is 7,500, and for electrotechnical officer it will be 5,000 US dollar. The requirement is you are need to have some experiences in the tanker ships. It's not less than 2 years experiences in the same ship and the same rank. That is all of these top 5 vacancies. And you need to have good English also, and the valid certificate. That is you need to have valid tanker certificate. It's a must. And the important things, you need to have a competency of the evaluation system. If you have all these requirements, you can apply to this link database. We will share to you in this video description. You can check it and you can fill it out all of the requirement that needed, like see record, and also all certificate that needed. Okay, thank you very much. If you have some question, you can just text us in the comment section. Just please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Okay, bye bye.